Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today we're going to be talking all about plucking. So I'm going to show y'all what this wig looked like when I finished with it, and if y'all want to see how I did it, just keep watching. I'm going to show y'all how the wig came in the box first though. Ooh, this pimple child. Alright, let me go on this side. Okay, so I basically have the hair. So I got the hair. This is the company, it's LuvMe hair. They sent it in this box. It got a little bit crushed up while it was shipping, I guess. It's like a nice matte purple. Comes with a bow on it, and then I'm going to just show y'all everything that comes inside. The actual wig now. This is a water wave wig, so it's like a little bit curly as well as tangled. Now, it was already colored and everything like that. And it's a frontal, so it's 13 by 6, and it's a bob, so I believe it's 12 inches. So great. And then what I thought was so cute that I wanted to show y'all is they give you a little pack. It has a bunch of nice stuff in it. So it's like this little container here. It's like a little plastic pouch. So I'm going to start by taking that wax stick that came in the pack, and I'm going to just put some on the front of the hairline so that I could slick the hair back while I'm plucking. So I put the wax on it, and I just went over it with the hot comb. So you want the hair to be back and out of your way. This is annoying to have the hair all over the place when you're plucking, and I just want to show you the first thing that I do is I'll remove the knots that didn't bleach. So anything that looks black, I take that out off the rip. So that's what I'm doing right here. Then once you get the knots that are like black out, you want to start to go through the lace and pluck. So I like to part it a little bit behind the hairline first because you don't want it to be too thin right in the front. You're trying to thin it out. You don't want it to be like baldy. So I'm not going to show y'all in real time everything I'm doing because it's like very repetitive. But you'll see as I go through, you basically want to just part, which is what I'm doing here. And then you want to start to pluck. Once you get to a section that you're ready to start plucking at, if you have to smooth the hair back out of your way, do that. You can also wet it and then just pluck. Make sure you're moving your tweezer every few seconds. You don't want to stay in the same spot too long because that's how you get the bald spots. And every so often, you definitely want to just comb the hair back. Number one, to get all of the hair that you already plucked out your way. And number two, to see, how thin the hairline is. If you need to do more, do more. If it looks good, move on to the next spot. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing this whole time. Just parting the hair, plucking, combing it back, moving on to the next spot. That's really all it is. So I would say the main tip is to break up the hairline. Usually when you get the wigs, it comes with like a straight across hairline and it looks very wiggy. So you want to have like some variety in how dense the hair is. You want to have some spots that are not as dense and some spots that are fuller. And you don't want to ever have a straight line of hair going right across. So your main goal is to try to break up the hairline. So as you can see, I have like dips here in the hairline, which gives you a more natural look, which is what you want. You do not want your wig to look wiggy. I mean, I know it's a wig, but you don't want it to look wiggy. So at this point, I was kind of happy with how it looked. I definitely took my time. It took me about an hour, but I was on the phone. I was doing other stuff. So don't rush it. Just take your time until it looks good to you. And then I'm just showing y'all again. I might have went in like a few more spots, but this is pretty much what it looked like when I was completely done with it. It looks so nice, natural. I'm not doing a lot of baby hair, so I wanted to really focus on the hairline. And I decided to just blow dry the hair out and wear it straight. So I flat ironed it and everything. So you can see this is what it looked like. I did have to go in and clean up the cut a little bit with my scissors, but for the most part, this wig came ready to wear. You can honestly just wear it how it came, but I just decided that I wanted to wear it straight, so I pressed it out. But this wig is so nice. It came colored already. The color was nice. So I really didn't have to do much to the hair but tweeze the hairline. So now I'm just showing you how I'm styling it, and I'm gonna show you how I define the part. So again, with my hot comb like lives in my hand. Just press the hair out. I'm doing the middle part, so I parted it down the middle first, and then you just wanna press the hair. And I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay. So when I'm doing this, I use like two things. I use first a T-pin. I have the T-pin here. Then I use a tweezer too. So what I like to do is remove some of the knots from directly where I made the part at. So I like to take just like one row at a time. And when I say row, I mean like one row of the lace. And I like to just clean it up. So I'll start right from the front. I see like a whole row right here, so I'm just gonna pull that whole row. It's an area of the body. You can see the hairs are like on the thing. I'm just gonna take whatever hairs are on this side of the pin and just pull them out. From 6 weeks, 12 weeks, or even longer. Occasionally that and it just will clear the space. So pretty much I'm gonna just do that down the whole part. NBA so far. Also, this is 64. I mean, you don't have to get like every single hair, but you want it to be more of like a distinct line. So you see here I have about like probably like 6 hairs. I'm just gonna pull them out. Mr. Jordan myself is saying, Michael, you're not ready. And he said, well, see the part looks cleaner there. My body's ready, but the doctor knows when you're ready. And I'm just gonna do that. If there's knots that are bleached brown and they look like they'll blend with your skin tone, you can leave them. But the ones that are like dark, I try to just pull them out because they show more. Like there's some knots in here that are brown right here. Like I'm not gonna pull them out. I'll just leave them. I'm gonna get the ones behind them because they're like darker. And then anytime I feel like the hair is in my way, I'll just go with my flat iron. I like this method because it's faster than plucking it with the tweezer. But if you're not comfortable pulling the hair out by hand, then use your tweezer. I mean, it's really the same thing. The key is just to make sure you don't pull out too many hairs at once, because that's how you end up like ripping your lace and stuff like that. So like 5 hairs at a time is fine though. So I'm almost done. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit so y'all can see how it looks. I feel like the part is not 100% straight, but whatever. That's how it looks. And I ended up styling the hair with like 2 braids down the middle because I thought it was cute. But you're gonna see right now I ended up changing it again. I was so indecisive about how I wanted to do my hair, but this is what it looked like when it was done. This is so cute. I ended up just putting like 2 clips at the top, but look at the hairline. It's so good. I barely did any baby hairs. I didn't really need to because the hairline was just perfect. I did do a little bit at the sides, mostly like by the ears. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys got some good information today. I'm just showing you some photos. It's very important that the lace looks good in pictures and in person. So I wanted to do it side by side so you can see it looks exactly the same. And yeah, if you liked this video and you liked how it came out, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have any other questions. I'll probably give some more information on plucking more in depth later on, but I just wanted you to get the general idea. And I hope you guys take some of these tips today and use them at home. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll have another video up soon, and let me know if you guys like hair videos or makeup videos more. I was gonna do a hair video next, but I'm always open to suggestions, so just hit me up. Later.